Wagwan man, it's your girl Natalie, and today I'll be making a traditional meatloaf. It's not like your average meatloaf with a lot of gravy. This one is tomato based. It's light and easy to make. Your kids will love it, you will love it. Come and join me, but don't forget to subscribe. I've gone ahead and preheated the oven to 350 degrees. I have approximately 1.75 pounds of meatloaf mix, which is a combination of pork, veal, and ground beef. But if you have ground beef, that's okay. So we're gonna add our 7 ingredients, which is Worcestershire sauce. I like to sprinkle a little. Half cup of breadcrumbs. 1 cup of onion. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 cup of bell pepper, 1 beaten egg, and half can of tomato paste. And I love to sprinkle a little Larry seasoned salt. You season this to taste. And now we're gonna mix this in. And you wanna make sure that you mix this properly so that it will shape great. Or get the season in. I love to use gloves so that I don't get meat under my fingernails. So we're gonna go ahead and shape our meatloaf. And we're gonna add it to our baking pan or a bread pan. The texture is great, so we wanna go ahead and add this to the baking pan, and you can spread it out some more. Now it's time to make the sauce. So we're gonna go ahead and add the remaining tomato paste. You wanna also add a cup of water, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and this is 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and approximately 2 teaspoons of mustard. And we want to make sure that we mix this thoroughly because this is what we will pour on top of our meatloaf. I'm going to scrape my can a little bit more because it's look a little bit watery. So we just want to go ahead and add some more of that tomato paste. And then we will pour this over our meatloaf. And the secret ingredient, which is our bacon strip. I normally use 3 strips. You just want to go ahead and add this to the oven and allow this to cook for 1 hour and 15 minutes. It's been cooking for 1 hour and 15 minutes at 350 degrees. Now I've changed the setting to broil, which will crisp the top a little, so I will take it out and have it set for another 10 minutes. So we'll let that sit for 10 minutes and then it will be ready. The meatloaf has been sitting for 10 minutes and now it's time to serve. I love to serve it with mashed potato and corn. There you go. It's delicious the following morning with meatloaf sandwiches. If Nat can do, so can you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.